This is Eric with E3. We're doing testing on a custom home north of Nashville. And we have a couple air handlers, old air handlers in the attic. There are 3 furnaces. And they have old filter cabinets. So you pull out the quote filter and you can see the dust that is on this filter. Now, unfortunately, it looks like it's a lot of drywall dust. That's all inside the cabinet and inside the fan. And then, of course, that goes up through the furnace, that airflow, and then it goes up into this coil, which is wet. And all that dust collects on the coils inside this wet cabinet. That's the cabinet that chills the air for the summer. So if we were to open that up, which we'll try in a second, it's probably covered in dust as well. So all that equates to poor indoor air quality. Stuff can start growing on it, and then you have issues with microbial growth. So again, we need to start by having a well-sealed duct system and a good filter cabinet that's maintained. That's the key thing. Unfortunately, these filter cabinets aren't maintained, and then you end up with this mess.